Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to polish this aluminum plate with the Brite Ultimate Aluminum Polish. So what we're going to do is take some of this Brite Ultimate Aluminum Polish and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it in to this aluminum plate until it's as dark as possible. Then we're going to grab another Scott Blue shop towel to wipe away this polish to reveal a mirror shine. One interesting thing about this polish is that it's formulated with protective polymers to help provide UV protection and resist staining. That's especially important for bare aluminum surfaces exposed to sunlight, moisture, and the elements over time. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.